Is it perfect? Well, we're still yet to see if this works, but let's just keep on moving here, and I think it's saving a lot of time. So let's paste that in. So as you can see, we have all of this set up already. Import pandas as PD. I've already imported time. Scroll down here because this is more of an updated one. Let's make sure this is the same. Let's go ahead and print the SMA. Print just to kind of test it. Now this is like the first official test. We're seeing if the SMA is correct, and let's also print. Let's do an F string here and say this is the symbol current price, and then put in the price here and SMA 20, and we'll put in the SMA 20. I feel like this is a pretty solid test because, you know, especially if you're new to algo trading, this would take a little bit of time to figure out. You probably have to Google it.